Well, hello everybody and welcome back to another video about the Keihn Carbs off CB Hondas of the early 80s. I've had a number of questions about the chokes and the spring arrangement, so hopefully I'll be able to show you on this video the arrangement of the springs so you get a better feel as to where the clips go and how they're arranged on the shaft. So here is the mechanism itself. I'll try and keep it in focus for you. You can see the way the springs are arranged over the actuating device there. What else? I'll show you the mechanism as it actuates, and there you can see the way it works. So hopefully that'll give you an idea as to how the choke mechanism is arranged. You can see it's clipped over on the back there. And there are two springs. This is the main spring on this side, and this is the spring for these other two. So these other two can actually operate independently of the main unit. Hopefully that'll give you an idea as to the way that it's laid out. If you need anything else, please drop me a note and I'll see what I can do.